Seeing New American Home come together at this point in time, right before the show, is a culmination of subcontractors, architects, interior designers, landscape designers, project managers, construction companies.
Right now in this process, it's busier than ever. We have so many things going on and so many different trades and people doing their detail punch items to get this house show ready.
The original vision for the home was this phenomenal modern home that brought the lake in. Getting to stand in the middle of the living room and look out to the lake where it's a clear view from the pool where there's absolutely no line of demarcation. It looks like truly the lake comes into the house. It feels like we've achieved the vision that we set out to build. With a home this size, you're looking for innovation, especially because we're part of IBS and the National Home Builders Association. And making sure all of those innovative products are working in the right way at the home require a lot of little products at the end of the project being finished. Circuit boards and servers that actually connect everything. You're installing lights that communicate because they're actually integrated into the wireless system. You're installing mirrors that integrate. You're installing control systems of the pool, of the air conditioning, of the security. All of those things, we have done all of the pre-work. Wires behind the walls that you don't see, the actual products that are installed. But connecting them right at the end is really what brings the whole home together for a home that's truly innovative and will last a lifetime. Alair has over 100 contractors across the United States and Canada, and any one of those contractors can build a home like this. It is truly an opportunity to show not just what we can do in Orlando, but what we can do as Alair across the nation.